Welcome to Sikh Perspective. This is Rajman Singh. I will continue to talk about what kind of things that we ask from God. Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, in this beautiful hymn, he says, Mera man ek hi priya maange, mera man ek hi priya maange. Pekh aayo sarab than des, pekh aayo sarab than des, priya rom na samsar lage, mera man ek hi priya maange. That, O my beloved, that I ask for nothing but your company, your love and your embrace. Mera man ek hi priya maange. I have only one beloved, only one lover that I seek, and I seek that beloved's company. Pekh aayo sarv than des, priya rom na samsar lage. That I have gone and tried to look for that kind of beloved, that kind of support anywhere in the world. But I have come to this conclusion that not even a single hair of my body can come to a comparison to what I have discovered by being in company of my true beloved, and that is my God. He says, Main neere anak bhojan boh binjan tin syo drisht na kare ruchange. That I have tasted everything, but what I have tasted by in the company of my God, nothing can be compared to that. Har ras chahe priya priya mukh tere, jo al kamala lobhange. He says, just like a bumblebee yearns for the petals of lotus flower, similarly this is how I always seeking God's presence in my heart. Gun nidhan manmohan lalan sukhdai sarbange. That God it provides you such a sense of relief and that peace of mind that there is nothing else that you want to seek. Guru Nanak prab pahe pathayo milo sakha gal lage. Hey, oh my God, please come and embrace me, and you are my true friend, because in your company I get the ultimate peace. But what happens? On the contrast of what Guru Arjan Dev Ji, his state of mind and his desires and how he feels his life fulfilled, and Kabir Ji, the Bhagat Kabir, who the famous Kabir from Varanasi, whose Bani is in the Guru Granth Sahib, in the 6 scriptures, he says, Sobha Raj Vivay Vadiyai, Antana Kahu Sang Sahai. And what are we seeking always, all the time? He says we seek fame, glory, power, wealth, and glorious, the greatness, and we want to have sense of accomplishment. He says, Sobha Raj Vivay Vadiyai, Antana Kahu Sang Sahai. Nothing will be with you when you are ready to leave this world. Putra Kalatra Lakshmi Maya. He says you want to have the offsprings, sons and daughters, and then marriage, their issues, whatever that you want to surround yourself with. Inte kaho kavne sukh paya. Has anybody found the true happiness from seeking sort of sense of love and security from your beings that you surround yourself with? Is Kahat Kabir, avar nahi kama, hamare man tan Ram ko nama. In the true treasure and the true wealth that I carry in my heart is the wealth of God's presence. So this is a state of mind of those enlightened beings, those who have come in contact with God. So they share their experiences to us and show us that there is a bigger aspect than what we attach ourselves to, and the things that we want. But they point us to a higher direction, where Guru Arjan Dev Ji concludes. He says, Khin pal bisar nahi mere karte, e nanak mange daan. That, oh God, not even for one single moment I want to have a forgetfulness. I don't want to forget you, even for a moment. And this is the charity that I ask for. not the charity of other things, but the charity, the gift from you is that your company and your presence and your love. So this is a sort of a new direction that the enlightened beings want to point the entire humanity. If you have any question, please reach out to us at ggsusa@aol.com.